Hello friends, it's early December. It's kind of wet and cold. Not a very nice day for outdoor activities, unless you're looking for interesting mushrooms. I think I found some. Let's check them out. So here's some right here. And there's some more. Over here. And some more. There's a couple right here. This nice big one. All right, so here we have Lycoperdon excipuliforme, otherwise known as the Pestle Puffball or the long-stemmed puffball. You can see how it gets its name. It kind of looks like the pestle in a mortar and pestle, or a puffball with a long stem. These are really cool because they get so big. It can be up to 10 inches tall. Found summer, autumn, early winter. Waste areas on the grounds of deciduous forests, coniferous forests, the edges of fields, under shrubs, those type of areas are often found in groups as they were here. Like most puffball mushrooms, this is edible. If you cut it through in half and it's still firm and white, not yellow or green or dusty or anything, then it is edible. This one is said to have less firm flesh than the giant puffball and that the skin should be removed. I'm not a big fan of eating puffballs, and this one is way past edibility, so I will not be eating it. But I was really excited to find these and wanted to share them with you. I do feel obligated to squeeze this and shoot out the spores before signing off, but I would like to mention that plants are more dangerous than mushrooms, I would say. Both can poison you, but you can brush up against a plant accidentally and get severe dermatitis, but you can touch any mushroom. But the most dangerous part of the mushroom is the spores. If you breathe in the spores, that can often be bad. So try to avoid that. And I'll see you next time on Mushroom Journeys.